Hello, welcome to the very first video. So in this class, we have a new classroom setup. And what you will be doing is when you come in on assigned days, you will be watching video lessons, meaning you will watch video and learn new lessons on your own. And yes, you will be asked to take notes. Now, there will be days when we come together as a class to discuss what we learned and do activities or problems together as a class. But in these video lessons, you are on your own, and there are several things that you're required to do when doing video lessons, and that's what this video is about. So first, in class, you will learn a new lesson through videos, and you will be also required to practice what you learn through assigned tasks, assignment activities, or quizzes. So, how to learn in this class. Number one, watch video lessons. Take notes while watching video lessons. You will be looking and practicing examples with me. And number four, you will also practice problems from what you learned on your own, meaning by yourself. So, how to do video lessons well? Well, number one, you will be watching video lessons for understanding new lessons, not just to get it done. So don't just skip until the very end of the video. You have to try to fully understand what is being taught in the video. Now this is important. My expectation from you when you come into class every day, because you learn the lessons on your own, when you come to class, I will be asking you questions from the video. And I expect you to have a little bit of information about the lesson during class discussion. Your mind is not just blank. You should at least know something about the lesson that I'm talking about. Now, number two, there are ways to get extra credit from these videos. There are three ways. First will be through highlighting your notes. Now, highlighting, you may highlight formulas, important facts, or anything that will help you memorize. This is just for you. And when I grade these notes or you practice, I will be looking for them just to help you get extra credit. Secondly, you may annotate, meaning you write notes to yourself. It's like Cornell notes. On Cornell notes on the left margin, you take notes that would help you remember better or important facts, anything. I will be looking for them and give you extra credits for those too. And lastly, asking questions. Asking what, how, or why questions. You may ask them during class when we discuss next time, or you can write these questions on your notes at a margin. Questions could be like, what is happening at this particular step? Or how did you do this? Why did this happen? Those are the questions you can ask. Then number three, you have to fill in the worksheets or the notes completely. You have to finish it. Now number four, if your video lesson is not complete, it's not done, or it's missing, then I will ask you to do them during your recess. You will get a pass and you'll be required to come during recess to my class to finish. Or you can come before or after school, and until it's done, you are not allowed to participate in activities in class. So whenever your classmates are maybe playing a game, doing an activity together, or having class discussions, you will be left out in the back of the classroom trying to catch up with this video lessons. And number five, a lot of you will be asking this: what will happen if you're absent? Well, because these videos are posted online, if you have computer at home, you can do them at home on line paper, taking notes. You may also come before or after school to do the video lessons. Number 6, this will happen to a lot of you. A lot of you like to do everything ahead of time. And yes, you can always take video lessons early before it's due. For example, I ask you to watch video lesson on solving equations by Friday. Well, some of you might finish it on Wednesday or Thursday. That's fine. That means you finish early, you will be ahead of your classmates, or you may also have spare time. Now, number 7, the notes that you take from these videos, you may use them during class as a reference for similar examples. Also, if I ask you to solve a problem together as a class on your own, you can use these notes as a reference as well, and it will definitely help you. Number 8. Now these are the must rules for doing video lessons. First, you must pause the video if I ask you to. If I ask you to stop the video, do a practice problem that's shown on the video, you have to pause it, do the problems, then go back to the video to check your work. Now, secondly, you may pause a video also if you need more time to copy or write. And thirdly, you can rewind the video if you miss something in the video. For example, Ms.Park is going too fast and the video is going too fast for you. Well, that's not a problem because you can always go back to what you're missing. Okay, and the last must rule is to watch the entire video. You may be skipping it, but no, I'm going to ask you to watch it fully. You can only pause or rewind for when you miss something. Okay, and lastly, number 9, please do the assigned practice worksheets on your own after each lesson. If there are no assigned practice worksheets that you see, then please double check and ask Ms. Park. Ask if there is anything due after the video. If not, you can always move on to the next video. Okay? So please keep these notes with you in your folder. Always follow these rules when doing video lessons, and I hope you do well for the next following days with the videos. Good luck!